Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites, Tier 2 crafting or a tech vendor plus the parts list. Immediately open inventory and set aside 5 engine parts, 10 metal scraps, and 2 circuit boards. This prevents accidental selling. Once done, approach the crafting bench or vendor. Make sure you meet the tech requirement because the recipe will remain hidden otherwise. You now trigger the system to recognize components. Use the bench menu and select Scan Parts or similar option to reveal candidate blueprints. You now assemble the core components in the exact slots. Engine first, chassis second, circuits last. Order matters for validation. If the game asks for 50 credits, pay, or trade, this fee registers the recipe on your account. Once the bench validates the items, select the Learn Recipe action. You should see a short confirmation animation. If the prompt doesn't appear, swap a similar item in one slot to re-trigger validation. Then immediately reinsert the correct. You finish by crafting the car using the newly unlocked recipe. Hit the craft button or assigned hotkey to queue it. Make sure to save at the nearest checkpoint once you have the vehicle, because some servers reset temporary unlocks. If the recipe still doesn't unlock, verify your crafting tier, rescan parts at a different bench, and then restart the game client to clear sync issues. This single troubleshooting tip resolves most recognition bugs quickly, so try it before seeking support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.